Garage Up is your total renovation expert company. We do everything from garage doors to epoxy floors to anything that you can imagine. We love the garage. We're proud here at Garage Up to stake our flag right into the garage and say, hey, we're bringing back beauty, aesthetic design to what is a very neglected space. And we love being the brand ambassadors and get to tell that story and deliver transformative work for customers all across America. Garage Up is the first ever of its kind. We have 16 unique revenue streams that create multi-million-dollar potential in any market across America. The growth projections for each of these industries is massive, but when you combine them all together, it's even larger. So how did Garage Up get started? It was started by Stephen Montgomery, the co-founder, and myself, Alan Alarcon. Through our research and development, we were able to discover that there really was no sophisticated strategy to claiming the garage as a whole and becoming a true renovation expert in the garage. We offer 16 unique services, all centered around the garage and every need that a customer would have in the garage. So everything from garage door repair, door openers, slat walls, overhead racks, cabinets, epoxy floors, concrete staining, I mean, you name it, we do it all. But we even have our commercial door services and our commercial floor services. So lots of revenue streams, lots of opportunity to really ramp up and grow your revenue quickly. These 16 services that you provide are just your opportunity to really scale this business quickly. Customer service is how you build your reputation in any home service industry, and we want to be known as the best in class at customer service when it comes to garage renovation. So we want to come in, do the job right, do what we said, and communicate all along the way and make sure that we're not only delivering transformative work, but excellent customer service experience every single time we're in a job. It might sound cheesy, but our goal for our franchisees is that they would be the happiest franchisees ever. We say that and we mean it genuinely. We want our franchisees to know that they have support every single part of this journey and they're not alone. And every idea, every moment, every barrier, every situation they come across, they have a partner who's walking alongside them. That's the level of commitment we have to our franchisees. This isn't a game, it's a journey, and we're happy to walk alongside our franchisees together. So what's expected out of you as a potential franchisee? Easy. Come in and be passionate about the garage. Be the politician of the garage in your market, in your city, in your area. Come in excited for the transformations that you're going to be delivering in your market. And second to that, come in with a millionaire mindset. And that takes work. It takes effort from both sides. And that's how we operate here. And we come in with that expectation every day. And we just ask that our franchise partners come in with that same level of intensity, purpose, passion, and create a legacy and generational wealth for them and their loved ones. So Elevate is our program to giving back to our communities. We don't just want to elevate our own pocketbooks, we want to elevate the communities that we get to serve. And so we nominate families in need in every market that we are in once a year, and either do a repair job or repair the floor or whatever the homeowner needs for free on us. And it's just our way to give back to our communities and to make the communities more beautiful, one garage at a time. So why should you invest in the Garage Up? Easy. We have the best team in franchising. And I'm confident to say that because I get to work alongside these folks every day. We wake up every day obsessed with how do we help our franchisees become millionaires. Our level of commitment to the franchisee is like no one else. And so if you're looking to not just buy a cool brand or a cool concept, but you want to be partnered with people who are extremely invested in your personal growth, in your personal development, and your personal success, then you should look at Garage Up and Resi Brands. So Resi Brands is our support network for Garage Up. This means that we get to bring best-in-class marketing, best-in-class appointment center, best-in-class mentors like John Maxwell and others that we have lined up, all to Garage Up because of the power of Resi Brands. We win when you win, and that's the support network we've built here at Resi Brands. We're ready to go fast and go far together. So if you're looking for your next investment, I would strongly encourage you to look at Garage Up. We have all of the training, so no experience is even necessary, and we have all these amazing support channels. So even the things about the business that make you nervous, we have people along the way to help you through those challenges, and we're very excited about the growth of Garage Up, and we would love for you to be a part of it. So if you're thinking about it, go ahead and call today, and we'd love to walk you through the next steps. Garage Up, upgrade the garages in your community, upgrade your life.